Okay, guys, day 3 of getting closer to our bestie. Day 3 for me was a bit of realization that I have been talking to bestie, but on some just keeping the lines of communication open, conversation. Not, it's like I know that you have stuff for me to do, and me know why you tell me to do them, so me just yeah, alright, later, let me depend, yes, man, me depend, yes, because I don't want to go. I was saying to the person that I'm doing this challenge with that I think that it's a matter of having so much church hurt, so much persecution, that, and when you have, like, you don't think of yourself highly, and then somebody or some people are telling you that you're not even good enough for God. Like, me don't know where you are doing this because and a lot of people get hurt. A lot of people are made to feel as though they are not good enough for God, and the people that do these things usually are projecting beliefs of their own onto people and pushing them away from the church, as well as pushing them away from God sometimes. And so I was saying to my friend that I think I've been hiding a lot because, you know, that meme with ladies always,
Maya Boshai, I'm tired. Jesus, I'm tired. My God.
yes, that is where I am. And I think that's what day 3 showed me, that me just want to stay in the background, me just want to hide and not do nothing, because people make you feel like you're not good enough for God. They're acting like they're God's secretary, and they are his armor bearer, and they make decisions for him and not him for himself. So I guess I am just kind of opening up the communication lines again and coming back and saying, listen, I see where I've blundered, and I get up back, I may brush off, I may come again, I will and come again. Despite what people may have to say, like at the end of the day, a night. At the end of the day, I know people decide whether or not you go to heaven or hell. I know people decide whether or not you're saved. It's between you and God at the end of the day. So really and truly, I shouldn't be allowing people to let me stop talking to bestie, like, what's that? And while that is easier said than done, because people are human and they have feelings and real emotions, and people are going through things and mentally, emotionally, and all of them. So when people say things, I think they should think about what they're going to say, and if you don't have anything good to say, don't say anything at all. Sometimes just keep your thoughts to yourself. But tell God, like, if you really think that I am going down a path that is not the path that you think I should be going down, go tell God, since you're secretary, go knock him door and say to him, you know, say, can you say I go down one part of me think you should go down? You can't work on that, like, talk to her, no? Why are you understand? Just go tell God. Go and tell God about it, since you're so concerned. And here is what I'm not saying. I'm not saying you're not supposed to correct persons. I'm not saying that you're not supposed to draw your sister aside and say, you fix up. Fix up. What I'm saying is some little unnecessary remarks don't need to be made. As me say, if you're not having good to say, don't say nothing at all. If this is your opinion, keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. If I am not committing an offense to God himself, leave me alone. And I am not promoting or supporting the people that say, me not go to church because I pay hypocrite their bank, hypocrite their dance, hypocrite their party, hypocrite living in a house. I'm still going there. So I'm not promoting that. I'm just saying, don't give up on God because of people, because a sick people got hospital at the end of the day. All the perfect people are in heaven. So yeah, nobody's perfect. So everywhere you go, there are going to be imperfect people. So that doesn't mean that you should stop going to church and believing in God because of people. Okay? Hypocrite everywhere. Everywhere. So let us on this journey get back to bestie, and tell me down below how your day went, and if you're still doing it. Is this your first video? Are you going to join us? Tell me down below or in the DMs. I'm always there. Bye.